Today we're going to learn about the 4 strings of the viola. The strings are separated by fifths, starting with the lowest string, the C string, the G string, the D string, and the A string, which is the highest string. And we have an Italian word for that, what I just did with my fingers, which is called pizzicato. And when we pluck the strings, or when we do pizzicato, we always anchor the right thumb to the right side of the fingerboard. And we pluck using the index finger. So now I'm going to go through a few different rhythms with you on each string. The first rhythm will be ta, rest, ta, rest. Why don't you play with me? Starting on the C string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, rest, ta, rest. Ta, rest, ta, rest. Ta, rest, ta, rest. Ta, rest, ta, rest. And the next rhythm will be ta, 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 rest. Starting again on the C string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, 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 rest. Ta, 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 rest. Ta, 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 rest. Ta, 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 rest. The next rhythm will be ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Starting on the C string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. 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 And lastly, the last rhythm will be ti, 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 ta, ta. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ti, 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 ta, ta. 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 And that's pizzicato.